This is where it all begins, in the heart of Singapore, where the river hums with stories of old and the city moves with quiet sophistication.
Just a short stroll away from Robertson Opus is Singapore's freshest canvas, the new Baru, where creativity meets cuisine.
Bold flavors, reimagined classics, beautifully curated spaces. Plus, your groceries are just steps away.
Here, every meal tells a story. Every corner sparks a little wonder, be it your dinner ingredients or your morning coffee.
When you live at Robertson Opus, everything is just around the corner.
Here, life flows effortlessly from riverside rides to fire zones. Every moment is a chance for you to reconnect with yourself, with nature, with community.
Living here, staying active doesn't feel like a chore. The river, the trees, the sky, they are part of my everyday rhythm.
We are just minutes away. That's all it takes to reach Orchard, Marina Bay, or the CBD.
Where timeless heritage meets visionary design.
A new icon begins to take shape.
This isn't just a launch.
It's an invitation to something lasting.
Robertson Refresh.
The future is here!